Quality Products has made significant investments to expand its sheet metal cutting capacity. To keep up with this higher throughput, we needed a fast and easy way to check the profile dimensions of cut parts of any size or shape. So, to solve this problem, we made another investment.
Our new InspecVision system was purchased really because we had a constraint or a bottleneck on our throughput inspection.
And so this machine here is unbelievably fast comparative to a traditional CMM. What could take 30 to 45 minutes to check is really about a 30-second check on this machine.
The InspecVision system operates with the same file that we use to laser, so it makes the setup much simpler. There's not a new file that needs to be created. The tolerances have to be set, but they're pretty standardized.
And it really drives and supports the new production equipment by allowing us to check in that 2000s profile very quickly.
You can scan one part in 30 seconds, or you can scan 100 parts of the same type in under a minute. And it quickly gives you a green light or a red light depending on whether you have features missing, if something's out of tolerance. It's relatively painless for any operator to run.
So you're probably wondering how our new InspecVision machine works. Well, it's really quite extraordinary. This thing is incredibly fast, and let me show you right now what I mean. So this part is larger than the glass surface to be able to measure it, so I have to scan it in two pieces. So the first scan with this flash right here is going to collect half of the part, and then I move it and scan it a second time, and it will automatically slice the images together, and then the data is collected and the part is measured. So with this machine, we can collect data incredibly fast, and the way that it does it is with the flashes. The reason they're so bright is because the camera is 19 feet in the air, and it's collecting the information that it sees from way up there. So parts, we can inspect parts that are up to 1,000 millimeters long, and then if it's larger than that, then we can move it around on the surface and collect the data, no problem.